let's go do some fall decor shopping and see what we can find. Okay, y'all, so this is where being realistic comes into play, because I really like both of these. Like, this is cute and this is cute, but realistically, I don't have anywhere to put it. Matches perfectly with the florals in my breakfast room, breakfast room. But I don't have a surface in my kitchen to put this on, so I'm gonna have to leave it because I don't have anywhere to put it, but it is cute. So my idea was to do a Halloween cookbook in a little cookbook holder with like Halloween treats in it, because I think that would look so cute on the counter, but I'm not finding it, so that idea might not work out. They have a bunch of fall like magazines and stuff with fall recipes and a couple like fall baking books, so like quick breads and muffins, fall baking, pumpkin and apple recipes, fall baking, and then pumpkin recipes. So I don't really see much. The closest I'm getting is this, which I can't look through it to see what's inside. Spectacular Crafts Halloween Eats and Treats. I'm not sure if anything will be like visually appealing to me in this little magazine. It's super thin, and this is $13, y'all, for this magazine, or for these magazines. And this is what's on the back. I'm gonna look on Amazon. All right, so now that we got all of that settled, let's look at all the new stuff that I just picked up in the last couple days. I'm gonna start with Walmart since I just went there today and grabbed a few things. First thing is this cute pumpkin. I really like how it has the white specks on it. It gives it some like texture without actual texture. So I thought that was really cute. And then I was thinking on the hearth, I could do a little basket, but I wanted a really small one because my hearth is not huge. And also I didn't want, I just wanted it to be something that was like not too crazy, like not too obstructive, that would fit there perfectly and not be too big and hanging off of it and stuff. So I think this will be like the perfect size to sit on it, because it's only like maybe a foot from the fireplace out. So I think this will work really well. And actually this was only $3.92. It was on clearance. So whether or not I use it right there, I'm gonna keep it. So what I was thinking was I could do the basket and then put a blanket inside. And I already have some charcoal gray, not only on the pillows on my couch, but also in the painting. So I think I could do a charcoal gray blanket inside that basket, and I think that might be really cute. And then in my breakfast room, I have florals that match this, and I think this will be really nice to hang on, like a garland to put on top of the mantle of the fireplace. Oh, and the blanket was $20, like 19 something, and then this garland was $5 $6 basically. Then I thought about, what if the blanket is too small, because this blanket is not the biggest. It's 50 by 60, so it could stand to be a little bit bigger. And I was like, if it doesn't fill up the basket and drape over it the way I wanted to, I just wanted to have another option for a blanket. So I went in TJ Maxx. I didn't find a charcoal blanket, but what I did find is this. Sure. So it has this like brownish color, but then it also has like the charcoal on the other side. And also this one is much bigger. It's a 50 by 70. So I think between the two of those, one of them should work. We'll see. So I found this super cute treat jar at Walmart. It's kind of iridescent. I feel like it's showing up on camera and y'all can see it. It's really, really cute. So I think this would be cute to go in the kitchen somewhere. I just don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it, but I have an idea of where it might go. And then I found this at home, TJ Maxx, and it is exactly the same. It's got that iridescent kind of sheen to it. It looks like these two things belong together. Like one is the mom and one is the baby. They look exactly the same. But this one is a candle. So I'm thinking I could put this on my island. And then the last thing I got was this really cute cake or treat holder tray thing. Super cute. I'm not typically a gold girl. Y'all know this about me. I prefer silver. And I thought about spray painting it, but then I was like, you know what? One little touch of gold probably won't hurt anything. And this is just so freaking cute. And it was only $17. It was $16.99, and it's so heavy. This is actual marble. And yeah, I think this will be cute if I could find somewhere to put it. And then the last thing I got from TJ Maxx is this little marble ghost cutting board thing. You can kind of see the veining in it. I feel like if I drop the brightness down, y'all can see it a little better. There it is. So you can really see the veining in this piece. It's so cute. And then the last thing I picked up from Walmart were these florals, and I think these will go really nicely in a vase that I have that I've never actually used. I've had it for so long, but I just haven't had a chance to use it. And it's this right here. Oh, and these were like $4 each, these florals. This is the vase. I've been telling y'all about this for a while. It's actually meant to be a floor vase, but I think if I put it on my coffee table and take the other stuff off with some of these, I'm gonna need to bend them to make them a little shorter. Like this. And then I also have these other florals, and these are left over from last year. So I got these at Michael's, and I love these. These go perfectly with the garland I just showed y'all from Walmart. And then I also have these, which bring in a little more of that like burgundy color that's in this one. So I think the three of these together will add some really good color. So I'm excited to kind of play with these and come up with a cute little arrangement for this big black vase. Okay, I just went outside and I thought I had way more fall decorations, but I guess not. The only thing I could find was this, which I love. I think it's so cute. It's like a little bat cage thing, and you could put whatever you want inside. And last year I just put these black and white pumpkins inside of it, and I thought it was so cute. So of course I'm gonna do that again this year. Also, I found this little like tan pumpkin with a gold top. I have no idea where I would put that. I don't think I have anywhere to put it, so we'll just use this. Okay, so the last thing I have is something I bought last year, but it's these little towels from Target, and I think they're so cute, and they'll go perfectly with my black and white theme yet again. So we're gonna put these out on the stove, and that's everything. So I think we're safe to start decorating now. Because it's starting to get dark, I'm just gonna use the actual lights, but then I'll let y'all see how it looks in natural light in the morning.
This can't be life if there's to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror-dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this headline, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not, it's advertised. It's got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
Okay, y'all, so I like the way it's turning out so far. I think that the couch looks really good. One thing though, if you buy these pillow covers, I guess don't put them in a washing machine, or don't put them in a dryer. I'm not sure what messed them up, but they got, like, the pleats got messed up when they came out of the dryer. So I'm not sure if it was the washer or the dryer that did it, but yeah, keep that in mind. I think the hearth turned out super cute. I think the mantle is nice. The only thing I don't like is this, because I just feel like it's clashing, and it needs some of that, like, taupey yellowish. It needs to bring some of that, like, yellow auburn kind of hues in. So I think I'm gonna add these to it and see if these make a difference. They look like they'll go really well, just to kind of tie everything together, and then I think we'll be done in the living room or family room.
Usually my exes turn to enemies, but this is different, cause we done got closer now that you ain't with me. All that love that we had, ain't no way we gon' forget that. And your family, love me like I'm family. You know where you stand with me, so when they ask, tell them right on, right now, on time. Can't say together, it was real love, and baby, it's still love. I hate that we make it to forever.
Okay, y'all, I think it's so far it's turning out pretty cute. I don't think I like this because the gold is just throwing me off. So I think I'm gonna leave this out, but let me know what y'all think. And if y'all like it more, maybe I will put it back. But I'll hold on to it for now. And then this, I just felt like it wasn't really doing anything. Like, I don't feel like I have a good place to put it because I'm just looking around and I don't see anywhere else I can put it. Also thought about using this because I took it off the table when I decorated the coffee table. But let me know if y'all feel like this could look good somewhere. Like, we could do, let me show y'all. We could do on the backsplash this one. I don't have a ton of space back here though, so that's the thing. Could like layer some cutting boards like that. I actually kind of think that's cute. Maybe if I put it in the middle, huh? It's dark, it's getting dark. We could put it off center like that, or we could do like put it right in the middle. The ghost right in the middle. I don't know. At this point, I'm just playing around to see what works. That looks okay to me. It's okay. It's kind of cute. But let me know what your favorite thing is, y'all. She trying to go outside. That's why the house is talking. But let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think that this looks good? Which setup is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna hold on to everything until I can hear from y'all, and y'all can tell me what y'all think. I really do love the what's this called, the island. I think this turned out super cute. This is the same thing I did last year. Only thing I did was sorry y'all, this is the same thing I did last year. Only thing I did, my husband's having friends over. They just ran to get some wings, so that's why there's beer. But the only thing that I did differently this year was swap out the candle for this little ghost candle, and I just think that's cute. I think that's super cute.